On 14th July 2025, one person by the name Thailam Ramesh, president of Girinagar, Jedimetla, approached the Jedimetla police station and lodged a complaint against Bodimi Shetty Haribabu. In his complaint, the complainant stated that Haribabu, who was working as assistant at Kutbulapur MLA camp office, had collected an amount of rupees 1 lakh from him by promising to secure a double-bedroom house under a government housing scheme. However, Haribabu neither returned the money nor fulfilled the promise, thereby cheating him. He further alleged that 83 other individuals were similarly cheated by him, with each person having paid around rupees 1 lakh. It is also alleged that with the money collected, Haribabu constructed a house at Reddy Nagar colony, Kutbulapur, and is currently residing there. Based on the content of the complaint, a case has been registered at Jedimetla police under appropriate sections of law, and investigation is underway. During the course of the investigation, statements of 8 victims have been recorded and video evidence has been collected, including footage of one victim handing over the money to Haribabu. Today, the accused Haribabu was apprehended and one mobile phone used in the commission of the offence has been seized. The accused is being produced before the Honourable Court by Jedimetla Police. P. Naresh Reddy, ACP Balanagar, said that further investigation in the matter is underway in a press meet.
బాధితులు చెప్పే ఏంటంటే అతను ఈ మధ్యనే ఒక ఇల్లు భూమిరెడ్డి నగర్ ఇల్లు కట్టుకున్నాడని, ఆ ఇల్లు కట్టుకోవడానికి ఈ మోసం చేసిన డబ్బులు కూడా అందులో ఈ హరిబాబు పెట్టుకున్నాడని చెప్పేసి వాళ్ళు ఆరోపించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒకవేళ నిజంగా మా విషయాల్లో ఆ విధంగా పెద్ద ఇల్లు కూడా జరుగుతుంది, ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ జరుగుతుంది. ఈ కేసులో వీళ్ళే కాకుండా ఇంకెవరైనా బాధితులు ఉన్నా కూడా రావాలని చెప్పి ముందుకొచ్చి మాకు స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇవ్వాలని చెప్పి విజ్ఞప్తి చేయడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. అయితే ఈ కేసులో ఇతను ఈ హరిబాబు